What the hell?
See where you at?
Fast enough to catch
One.
Ready?
Yeah.
1,
2, 3.
Go, game, hold. Why the game shit? I'm going. Wait, oh shit. Oh shit.
Right.
Go. No, that door's locked.
That's right. Turn around. You going? Right.
Did he not see you?
You should be.
You running out of. You done? You fucked. You fucked, Keyshawn.
Go. Keep going. Fuck around. Don't fucking stop. Not.
What the hell way is this?
Stop. The hallway he can't reach.
But
Turn it
yeah,
off.
turn it
Turn it
off.
off. In that room. Try to go to the room.
He can't. I don't think he can. I was about to say the prompt didn't show up. We're fucked. There's one on the ground.
Dude, shut the fuck.
I thought there was one on the ground.
Go out there to the phone. Oh shit.
Is that God?
Oh! Bitch almost took my whole virginity. Scared the shit out of me. I gotta pee. Don't make me piss on myself.
You better with you, big fella. We're scared together. And you're listening.
Cause we still ain't got no batteries.
Alright, here we go
Big fella,
again.
go back to the road shop house batteries.
It does that every time you pause again. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
He thought he was fucked. You kind. I think you might have to go the other way, where that guy popped up from.
Dude, just try to find some batteries first.
You can't afford to do that, Keyshawn. You better hope it's lit. Go ahead. I'm sure he ain't. You know he's there now.
Shit. You ain't got nothing to lose, big fella. You out of batteries, you out of options. You got to move, big fella. She a virgin. You gotta put the whole thing in there, big fella. Whole lot of dick.
Go ahead, Keyshawn.
Bro, is that it breathing or me?
I think that's you the guy. You.
Move,
You know what?
big fella.
You know what? Count me down.
3, 2, 1, go.
I thought this nigga didn't move.
Wait, what the fuck? Hold on, cause that bitch was just there, man. What the fuck? Hold on now.
Nigga, we had a whole 10 seconds of me freaked out, then paused the game.
What the fuck
That's
he
more
go,
than
bro?
enough time in the horror movie.
What the fuck he go, bro? He only needed 2 to get away. We gave him 10. Oh shit. I'm sorry, y'all boys.
Oh, damn.
Good.
It's gonna cut off anyways. Yeah, about. Did you do that or did he do that?
You did it. Move forward, big fella. Be quiet. Get away from that, big fella.
Can't see a goddamn thing. You can open that door. Maybe you want to. So you lock.
See the battery? I hope it's better on here. Search the batteries, big fella.
Oh boy. Close that motherfucker back, nigga.
He's got a street jacket on.
Shit.
I don't give a fuck.
Shit.
What's he gonna do? Kickbox you to death?
Yeah.
Does he look like McGregor to you?
Episode of Family Guy. The kickboxer who ain't had nobody on head legs.
I'm dead.
Oh, nope. Almost. Come on. What?
Kick. Come again.
Nope.